and somehow I missed your question, don't hesitate to DM us. I am going to be checking it, and I'll be happy to assist you. Okay, I'm gonna do it just like how do I say, like diagonal, like wiggles, whatever it is. And I'm go ahead and using this foil. I'm loving it. It is number 33, which is the same one I did it yesterday with this foil. I mean with this design. And also with this nails that I did it yesterday too. If you missed it, don't worry. I saved them all. Unless it's difficulty that I couldn't do it. But this one is really cool. And also, one of this one, I do like it too. Like, either one. Maybe I should do this. Should I do this? Should I do this? Soar or chick?
Soar.
Soar. Okay. So 30-second. Maybe I can do this one in chick. This one's soar. And I can do this one in chick. However you like. Oh, this one looks cool. Okay. Alright, soar. 30-second is up. And you can tell this one is on the other side. So this one you are going to lay on it. So now you can do straight like this, or you can just doing it on the sideway. However you prefer. I'm going to do its angle like this and see what's up with this. Give it a good, like a pressure down. Rub it on both sides. Thanks so much, everyone. Happy holiday to everyone. Hope everyone is getting ready, finish shopping. Oh, I love it so much. Cool. Perfect. This one, it doesn't have the foil. So only transfer where the foil is. So it's really cool. I transfer everything. And then I'm gonna using this. I like that. This illuminating gel painting. Give it a good shake. Let's move this nails on the side for the second, because we're not using that for at the moment. And I'm gonna just give a quick. It doesn't have to. If you want to, you can. But then I'm going to put the crystal on this one. And then also you can feel the glitters. I mean right here. Just sparkle for New Year's if you want to. If you don't, just leave it alone. They're gonna be fine. All right, so flash key for 30 seconds. I'm gonna put some crystal placements on. I'm using this one, like a rose gold mix SS from Instapack. I just want to do so many designs. So many. There's spoon packs, so I'm going to just like pull in half in here so it's easy for me to pick up. All right, so moving on to the crystal placement. So now, if you all love it, you don't want anything else on, that's how you want it, that's how your clients want it, you are going to apply the no wipe top coat. Like no wipe top coat. If you want this part to be like shiny, you put this no wipe top coat and leave this matte because it's already finished matte right here. So I did 2 coat of the neutral, and then I did the matte top coat on all of them first, like completely in the nail. So then therefore all the chamfer foils and the foil will not stick to the tacky layers. So this is like matte finish already. And then you can use a shiny top coat and top coat this. And then you cure for 60 seconds, you're good to go. If you don't want anything else, you don't want any crystal, nothing. It's like no charm, nothing whatsoever. Just love this. Leave it alone and top coat and you're good to go. But for a lot of you love like more like dramatic extras, you know, everybody is different. So it just really depends on your clients and then on yours. Like the client's like, okay, and say do whatever you want to. Like, okay, so then you're going to ask them, would you like to get like no crystal or crystal? You know, say, oh, I want crystal, you know, see? So then just ask few questions. You'll find out that the client's like, you know, love it or not. So I am go ahead and apply completely the nails.
So now if you want to do it matte, do you have to do it half?
Yeah, you can do it half on the other one. Absolutely, you have to. It's half shiny and then half tough. You can leave. You can just stop at any point. And then now we're gonna put the wipe top coat. So either you want this half, then you're gonna do it half. But if you want this one to be shiny, because I want the pot swirl foil is gonna be shiny. Floating, wipe top coat. This is from a crystal Trifecta. If you are having troubleshootings and hard time with the crystal and it looks so gorgeous, and then this next day, boop, it's come all the way off, or it's just stuck in the client's hair and it looks gorgeous for the Instagram picture, and it go home and they can't even wear past and on 1 week and it's catching everything. Crystal Trifecta will be your bestie for all time. It will back you up every single time. So I'm gonna apply this super adorable, cute. You know what? It's just really easy with the crystal placement. You only need like 1 centipede, 2 centipede, but as long as they are closed tight together, you pursue them, like basically you pursue them together. And that's how you do. As I say, for all of you just tuning in, if you love it, you know, don't want anything else, stop at any point, top coat here, send clients like out the door. If the client's like, oh, I want more, then you give them more. But if they like, that is my price range and the budget, then send them to the door, out to the door. But if they want more crystal, you can definitely add some more, which is like the foil. This is the for your preference for all the nail techs. You want to price this design like we have $5 is the nail art is foil, or $6 because you're adding a line on. $6 is really pretty much its minimums. And then clients were like, oh my god, it's just a little foils and the little lines at $6. Yeah, everything will taking time and cost more money for the nail tech to do. So definitely you want to be fair for your clients and fair for your time and fair for yourself, because in that way you can able to continue invest into your business and serve the clients even better. I want to do this one. I'm not using the silver beads. I love it because it's gonna be go with this theme. Gold, silver, black. It's just perfect for New Year. Everybody have a different. You can swap it the background in the different colors. It doesn't have to be neutral. You can using any colors you want. You can do pink. You can do yellows. You can do whatever color you want. So I'm going to add the beads on between the joys of the crystal, which is that, I love that how Mika is saying it, the joys of crystal. It's cool. And add it on. But if the client's like, oh, I don't care for the beads, I want all the crystal, then it's great. You don't want a beads, then that's fine. You can definitely cure it and then using precision glue gel to seal completely them. But the clients like want some beads to make it look like a jewelry, then you add it on. So $6 for the transfer foils on the backgrounds, and then another $10 to $12. This one is being about $12 because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centerpiece. I'm counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centerpiece bit and frame. $12 to $15 for this design is absolutely fair for you, because is you're using all centerpiece, not SS. This is the SS, and this is the SS, but this is the centerpiece. So the clients are, why is like the design is a little of a crystal like this, is cost that much, you know? If you pile all of this on and design with the SS, and then it will be is less, because is the supplies and the product is cost you less, a little bit less, because you get a lot of more in the pack versus to the centerpiece. And if the clients want to defy shape, which is a centerpiece, they are definitely want to explain to them. And if they are willing to spend a little bit more, and or their budgets is like staying like the A number budgets or B number budgets. So you just make sure you are consult the clients is properly, so then you're being happy and not going to miscommunication. So I'm happy with this. I am going to clear this for 60 seconds. And this is a design will be a